Welcome to this mindfulisms meditation. Today we'll be engaging a special 10-minute mindful practice to help us work through those Sunday scaries. It's pretty usual on a Sunday, as we look forward to the new week, to get quite anxious and preoccupied with what may lie ahead. However, we often overlook taking that special time off to reflect on the week we just experienced, to highlight and really celebrate all the things that went well. Every person on the planet gets caught up worrying about what problems could happen. Humans have that quality by design, and it makes it even easier for us to spend time revisiting things that didn't go as planned or things in our pasts that fell short of our expectations. But there are some things that happen every week that do go well, and it's critical to go back to them, merely to reflect on them and remind ourselves that good things happen each and every day. And the more we remind ourselves of that, the more confidence we can take moving into the new week ahead. So take a few moments right now to settle and relax. Find a nice, comfortable seat. Begin by relaxing with your eyes open. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. And when you exhale, softly close your eyes and feel the weight of your body. Sink into the sensation of gravity and this stillness of the moment. Just be happy to be here. Allow any memories of joy from the last week to come floating back. Allow those thoughts and feelings to enter your mind and keep it there softly. Thinking back to those moments that made us smile. Yes, you're there now. Breathing in and exhaling. Remember how you felt when you were happy. It's almost as though you're reliving all of those feelings. All the while, you feel your muscles relax further. Your jaw and facial muscles relax. A sensation of peacefulness melts down your body. Happy memories and moments from last week are all around you. You feel that joy embedded in this moment, embedded in your memory. But knowing these feelings, they come and they go. But this ability to sit here in stillness and to observe the world and our emotions, this ability is always with us. Allow each sensation of each particular memory from last week to pass before returning to the current moment. Take a deep breath as you become more conscious. Feel a rising sensation. Your stomach rises, full of air and light. Remember how much fun you had last week doing something you liked. Allow that memory to return to you right now. And as you start the new week, bring your attention back to that sensation of joy. And now sit for a few quiet moments, breathing in new moments of joy that have yet to come, and breathing out all our worries, all our stress, leaving us as we accept new experiences with curiosity and happiness, breathing in joy, letting go of worry. Focus on your breath, and I'll bring you back to present in a few moments. Focus now on your breath, and I'll be right here with you. You've got this. You're ready. You have the entire week ahead of you to enjoy, full of light and fun. This week is all about you. Now softly open your eyes once again. Thank you for joining this Mindful Isms meditation. Our mission is to help you live a stress-free life and give you the free tools that will enhance your workflow, focus, and sleep patterns. We're a holistic approach to a better state of mind. And most importantly, we believe meditation should be free and accessible for all communities. Subscribe to join our community and enjoy free meditations and focus tools uploaded daily. And if you want to help us spread this message and mission of accessible mindfulness, then please like and share this video. It really helps and we really appreciate it. We know you're going to have a great week ahead and we'll be here when you need us.